What's up guys, welcome back to Tools for Sparks, where today we're reviewing probably the most exciting Unilite product that I have ever had the privilege of trying, because everyone who likes music loves an on-site speaker. That perfect tool to annoy your customers by blasting heavy metal in their faces and generally ruining the reputation of all good tradespeople. But seriously, I mean, if you've ever worked on a building site where there's some banging music playing in the background, it lifts everyone's spirits, it makes you feel good, it motivates you to work faster, work better, and it just makes everyone feel good. And having a Worklight / speaker, well, that is genius. So we're going to give this a good old test today and see how good are the speakers, how easy is it to pair up, how bright is this light, and are there any other interesting features that this amazing piece of kit can do? All of that coming up in today's Tools for Sparks video, but first hit a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Let's go. So this is the Unilite SP 4500, SP for speaker, I guess. So on the back we have some information about this. It says that it's an input 15 volts 1500 milliamps, output, that's interesting, 5 volts 1000 milliamps USB. We'll talk about that in a sec. Battery is a whopping 5,200 milliamp hours or 57.72 watt hours, lithium ion, charge time 3.5 hours, operating temperature -10 to 40 degrees, protection IP65, dust and water, IK07 shock, 10 watt Bluetooth 4.0 speaker. So that is some serious stats. So this is the lovely box that it comes with, and if we look on the back, we should have a bit more information. So as you might have guessed from the fact that it's called an SP 4500, it has 4,500 lumens of light when on full power. It can shine 74 meters in distance, and it's got a 3.5 hour battery life. Now obviously the lower you put the brightness, the longer the battery will last, but the less distance you'll get, and it can go right down to 450 lumens, which is eco mode, which is 1/10 of the full brightness. So that's pretty exciting, but let's just give it a go and see what it looks like. So it's got this kind of stand where you can angle it in whatever angle you want really, which is quite nice. The power button is on the back, so we'll press that once, and that already seems pretty bright. So let's see what happens if we press it again. Okay, it goes off. Press it again. On. Again, brighter, brighter, brightest. So that is 4,500 lumens of pure LED brightness to light up the site, to flood light any work site that you're working on. That is insanely bright. Now I wouldn't recommend that you stare into this, because you might find that the lenses, your retinas, will be burnt to a crisp and you'll never be able to look at a packet of Pringles ever again. So I would just warn you about that, to be a little bit careful about looking straight into this. But it is a very powerful work light. Now you've got these clamps on the side, which I guess you can sort of tighten up to hold it in place, although they seem pretty tight at the moment anyway. Something else here now. This is just, you know, Unilite, they never do anything by halves. Look at that. So hidden underneath in this little stand, you've got a hook. So you can actually hook it and hang it this way. And, you know, if you're on a site, you might not want to put it on the floor. You might want to hang it off a piece of scaffolding or a rail or a roof truss in a loft or whatever it might be. So again, you've got that flexibility to be able to use it in whatever situation you're in. And that swivels completely. Look at that. So it's completely rotational. You can swivel it in whatever direction you want. Flexible, solid, excellent quality, as always with Unilite. There's this little rod thing here as well, a little hole, so potentially I guess you could put a some kind of rod through there to put it on a stand. case, build quality wise, I mean, it feels very solid. It is plastic, but then you've got this metal part under here, which is like a heat sink for the LEDs, because I imagine that these will kick out a heck of a lot of heat with how bright they are. But I know that you guys all want to see the main feature, which is the Bluetooth radio function. So let's just turn it on and let's power up that radio. We've got a battery indicator here, and if we press and hold, we've got a blue light. And bearing in mind, this is the first time I've done this, by the way, guys. I like to discover products in the most natural kind of way, and just share with you the genuine experience of using it for the first time. So here we go. Oh wait, no, it's here. Other devices, I'm being stupid. There we go. SP 4500, it's right at the bottom. There we go, connected. We've got a solid blue light, and it made a little beeping sound, and that was actually really easy. Now, where can I find some royalty-free music to play? Oh, how about YouTube? Let's watch one of our YouTube videos. So if we go to Artisan Electrics, do you want to see a little sneak preview of one of our Artisan videos?
We just couldn't fix in a more awkward place. English is difficult, people.
I'm average height.
Yeah, you're at least 5'1", John.
Exactly.
Okay, so that is pretty impressive. The sound volume goes really, really nice and high on that, which I like. And yeah, I mean, it's got a good all-round sound to it. I'm not an audiophile, so I don't, I probably don't have the most attuned ears to see whether this compares like for like to a Bang & Olufsen speaker or a Bose speaker or something, but I would say for your work site to get some tunes pumping away while you're working, this will absolutely do the job very nicely. It's not too heavy either, you've got a radio that's going to last all day, I guess, if you don't have the light on. If you just turn the Bluetooth radio function on, it will last a long time, and you can do something else with it, which I want to share with you now. So this says input and output. So if you want to charge it up, you've got a nice fast charging slot there, and it comes with a proper power cable to charge it up, but you've also got an output there. So let me show you what that does. So imagine you've got your head torch and it's run out of battery. So while you're having your lunch, you need to charge it up. And you've got some tunes on, banging away, listening to Ronan Keating, because, all tradespeople like a bit of Ronan. And then you plug into here your head torch, and you can see that I'm now charging my head torch from my Bluetooth radio. How awesome is that? So it means that not only have you got portable power to charge up your other Unilights, you've got music, and you've got a massive floodlight that you can use on site if you need some serious light to work at night. Now, I'm talking as a tradesperson here, an electrician, on a building site or something like that, or in a loft or whatever. This light will come in handy anyway, but this could really appeal to a lot of people. I mean, if you're doing like a house build or something like that and you want to have a bit of music, this is just going to be perfect. And also the fact that it's fully IP rated, it's impact rated as well, IK7, so you can drop it from probably quite a large height and it will still survive. It's just an all-round super tough Worklight / speaker that's going to last a long time and give you some seriously happy memories on site as you do some amazing work and you listen to some amazing tunes. So let me know all your thoughts about this in the comments below. Do you have one? Have you got something different? Do you love it? Do you hate it? All your thoughts in the comments below would be great. And we do have a special deal for you guys who watch our channel. If you want to buy any Unilite products, you can get 25% off using our special discount code, which is in the link in the description. So head down to the description and you can check out all the amazing deals that we've got for you guys if you want to get yourself one of these and save a small fortune doing so. But either way, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.